So the original splitter on the RS4 has those little tabs here that go in the bumper, and those tabs break very easily. The splitter itself can also crack pretty easily. Trying to 3D scan this is actually a waste of time with the complexity, the holes and stuff. You are better off measuring and redoing. So to reproduce larger parts like this, you will have to use a cutting function in the slicer to join your elements together. So here I ended up with a cut like this, and I made an extra piece here to join the two pieces and use heat sets. This one is a prototype here. That's my final version printed in ASA that I'm initially gluing together with epoxy, and then we'll finish with the heat sets. So what we're doing here is that we're using our bolts and units the same as we're using on both sides. For the split that is in the bumper here, we're also using units. Just two parts instead of having this printed as part of the 3D print. We'll have the bolts go through like this directly in the unit, and we printed a cover to make it look like this. So that's going to be way stronger to take the impact and stuff, and it's not going to break at the base anymore. So here we have a fully installed splitter. So step number one, glue in the center and do your heat sets, bolt and nuts, then drill the holes on both sides. You center everything and then drill the holes for your two bolts for the spacers, and trim the spacers to size. If the spacer is too long, you can just cut it. It's along the printing line, so it's easy to cut and you can have the space you need. So I have little bolts and washers here going through inserts. So I have 5 of them, 2 in the back, 1 in the center, 2 in the front. I have my epoxy glue. And here you can see at the top, the nuts at the top with the washer over there in the back to hold the plate. And so that make my plate really strong actually in the center where there is a joint. And on each side it's just secure with a unit where the original mounts were. You can find this model for free on Maker World. Please, if you like this content, give us a like and subscribe. Thank you.